Here I've got Realme 6, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now scroll down, find and pick security. And here you will notice unknown source installations. So just click here, and now you can activate this feature for some particular app. So for example, if you'd like to allow from Gmail, just click on allow, and that's it. Now it's active. You've just allowed from this source. Then you can do the same thing for messages, private save, and any other application installed in your device. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can activate installation apps from unknown sources. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.